government of the Bahamas is committed to giving the consumer a louder voice and stronger rights. That, according to Parliamentary Secretary Wade Watson, during a recent symposium hosted by the Consumer Protection Commission in light of new legislation passed in Parliament.
This act, stated by our Prime Minister, is a significant piece of legislation because it's designed to enhance the rights of consumers across the Bahamas. Consumer protection legislation is critical to the development of the economy, the reduction of poverty and social well-being, especially in over-the-hill communities.
CPC's Executive Director Sharmi Farrington explains the purpose of the recent stakeholder symposium.
We thought one of the first things we want to do in accordance with our functions under Section 5, which is to implement educational programs and to provide any other form of consumer education, was to actually commence our providers educational forum, which we hope to be the first of many to come. We want to bring in the providers, the business owners, and providers of goods and services into the room so that they can look at the act, they can ask questions, we can go through certain provisions and let them know what the act says, what are their obligations, because we always say prevention is always the key, and we want to act in a way that we want to always mediate between the provider and the consumer.
And likewise, consumers, know your rights. I'm Adama Williams for Ed.